I may say so myself, this is the ultimate guide to understanding and investing in money market funds. Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to the channel, the best place for you to learn and share about budgeting, saving, investing, and all things financial literacy. My name is Gertrude. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. In today's video, we're going to go through money market funds in Kenya. If I may say so myself, this is the ultimate guide to understanding and investing in money market funds. So, what are we going to go through? We're going to go through 1. The definition of a money market fund. 2. Is a money market fund a safe investment? 3. Why should you even consider a money market fund? 4. What to look at when choosing a money market fund? 5. The right questions you should ask when choosing a money market fund. And lastly, the best performing money market funds in Kenya. Well, you might want to get a pen and paper for this one. Well, let's get into the video. 1. The definition of a money market fund. A money market fund is simply a collection of money from the public that is used to invest in financial instruments such as commercial papers, T-bills, government bonds, and other high-risk instruments such as stocks and real estates. In other parts of the world, a money market fund is also known as a high-yield savings fund. 2. Is a money market fund investment a safe investment? Yes, in retrospect, it is a safe investment. Why? This is because it is regulated by the Capital Markets Authority. However, in some instances, if you choose a money market fund that usually invests a high percentage in high risk instruments such as real estate and stocks, you can either get high returns on your investment or risk losing your investment altogether. The average rate of return for money markets is between 4% to 10%. If your money market fund manager tells you that they can get anything below or above that range, it should raise your suspicion. On to the next question. Why should you even consider investing your money in a money market fund? Well, 1. An MMF, money market fund, is a very liquid type of investment. What does this mean? This means that you can easily convert your investment into cash, unlike other investments like land. 2. The second reason why you should even consider investing in money market funds is because you can easily top up your account using your phone number. Some money market funds allow this. You can easily top up your account using M-Pesa. Number 3, likewise, you can easily withdraw your investment from the comfort of your smartphone. Some money market funds like Sciton allow you to pay your bills using your money market fund wallet and top up your airtime using your investment. So yeah, it is very easy to withdraw your money from a money market fund investment. The fourth reason why you should even consider investing your money in a money market fund, it is because it is a safe investment. It has close to zero risk of losing your investment. So, what should you look at when choosing a money market fund to invest in? The first thing that you should look at is who are the fund managers. The fund managers registered by the Capital Market Authority. If not, run. Don't even dare to invest in that place. The second thing that you should look at is, who does the money market fund have a custodian? The custodian should either be a bank or a microfinance institution, of which both should be registered by the Capital Market Authorities. Another thing you should look at is, does the money market fund have a trustee and auditor, and are they recognized in the industry? What else should you look at? You should also look at what the people are saying about the money market fund you're thinking about investing in. Does it have positive reviews or negative reviews? Apart from that, you should look at the consistency in terms of returns. This is whereby you look at the past performance of the money market fund in mind. Does the money market fund have an upward or downward trend? If so, you know what to do. Another thing that you should look at before choosing a money market fund to invest in is the composition of financial instruments that the money market fund is investing in. Is the money market fund investing in high risk financial instruments like real estate and stocks, or is it investing more in safer instruments like commercial bills, government bonds, and so on? You should also know your risk appetite. That is, are you a risk-averse person? That means that you would rather your investment goes into less risky financial instruments so that you can sleep better at night, or would you rather your investment be invested in a risky financial instruments so that you can, in the hope of getting more returns? You should know your risk appetite as well when choosing a money market fund to invest in. On to the next part of this video. The next part of the video is, which are the right questions you should ask before giving anyone your money? Well, question number 1 should be, what is the minimum investment and rate of return that they offer? Some money market funds have a minimum investment of as low as 100 bob, while others have a minimum investment of 5,000 shillings. So it's wise to know the minimum investment. The average rate of return in the market is between 4% and 10%. Anything below or above this should raise your suspicion. On to the next question. The next question you should ask is, what are the fees that they charge? Some fees, which are not limited to the ones that are listed here, include management fees, penalties, processing fees, and so on. All these fees should not exceed 2% per annum. On to the next question, which is, how long has the money market fund been in existence? Some analysts say that money market funds that have been in existence for more than 5 years are considered safer investments. They are easier to analyze the performance over the years as well. The last question that you should ask is, how easily can I withdraw my investment? Do you have to fill forms so that you can access your money? Do you have to wait until working days so that you can get your money? These are some of the questions that I consider should be asked, that you should ask before investing your money in any money market fund. If you have any other questions that you think are right to ask, you can share them in the comment section below. And if you have not hit that subscribe button by now, hit that subscribe button right now. so that we can continue learning and sharing more. Now, on to the last part of this video, which is some of the best performing money market funds in Kenya. This list does not consist of all. These are some, but not all. So, on to the first money market fund in Kenya, which is Zimele Money Market Fund. Zimele Money Market Fund has been in existence for more than 20 years. Zimele does not have an initial investment fee. However, it does have a minimum annual management fee of 2% per annum. The minimum investment is 100 bob and does not have a minimum additional investment. On to the next money market fund in Kenya.
So I've thought about doing something different, and we can continue with the best performing money markets in Kenya. And we looked at Zimele Money Market Fund. Now we're going to look at Saiton Money Market Fund. Saiton Money Market Fund has no minimum investment. However, it does have a minimum additional investment of 1,000 bob. It has 0 initial fees and an annual management fee of 1.5% per annum. The best part about Saiton is that you can easily top up your investment via M-Pesa and access your statement as well. To access this service through your mobile phone, you can dial *809# to access Saiton Money Market Fund and start investing. But before that, remember to do your due diligence first. Another money market fund is Britam, also known as British American. Britam has a minimum investment of 1,000 bob and an additional minimum investment of 1,000 bob as well. It does, however, have 0 initial fees and interest on its investment is computed on daily basis. On the plus side, Britam has no hidden charges and its annual average interest on investment is between 8.5% to 10% per annum. Britam also has you can also access Britam Money Market Fund through your phone by dialing *778# and start investing today. There are so many money market funds in Kenya. Others include Sanlam, CIC, NCBA, and so many others. For example, Sanlam has a minimum investment of 2,500 bob and no initial fees. Its interest is compounded daily, and you can use M-Pesa to top up your money market fund in Sanlam. CIC Money Market Fund has a minimum investment fee of 5,000 and no initial fees. However, it does have a minimum additional investment of 1,000 bob. NCBA, the bank, also has a money market fund. In NCBA money market fund, there is no entry fee or exit fee. The minimum investment in NCBA money market fund is 5,000 bob and an additional minimum investment of the same 5,000 bob. NCBA money market fund has an average interest rate of 8% per annum. It does, however, have no hidden fees and a service fee of 2% per annum. There are so many money market funds in Kenya that are doing well. You can do your research and find them. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video.